everyone, I am back and I am here with another closure replacement. As you can see, this one is bald, honey. My good sis, she was hard on this wig, but it's okay because we're going to make it look like it's brand new. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the closure from the wig. And I am going to be bleaching the knots on the closure at the same time, you know, two birds, one stone. The first thing I did was detox the wig before I washed it. I just went in with baking soda, warm water, and apple cider vinegar. And after it sat in there for like literally a minute, that's the color it changed. So then I sat it in there for 20 more minutes. And that is the color of the water. It's just, you know, dirt and product buildup accumulated on a daily basis. So, like I said, we went ahead and bleached the knots. I only processed it for about 15 minutes with a 20 volume developer. This is the wig, freshly washed, deep conditioned. We're going to go ahead and add the closure by sewing machine because it's more durable. But, I mean, if you don't know how, just hand stitch it. It all works. So now I'm going to go ahead and tweeze the closure. I use the 3-part method. I parted about an inch of hair off, and I split those into 3 sections, going in as you can see here, just thinning it out, lightly plucking it. Yeah. And with this closure, there's like a line going straight across, if that makes sense, a line of hair. So I always break that line up. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. And this is the finished result. She's still wet, but she looks like a brand new wig. Yes, honey. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.